students, good morning. Today onwards we are going to start for you all online class. This 1 week we are doing only recording online class because teachers we are going to take training still. Next week onwards we are going to start live online class. Only this week we are going to doing recording online class. Okay, this is English class for you all, third standard English class. This 15 days today onwards we will teach 15 days only basic. Okay, alphabet, small, capital, small, and cursive writing, 2 letters, 3 letter, 4 letter words. Okay, these, those, these, that. Okay, that how we are going to use that words. Okay, only about that things we are going to learning only this 15 days. Okay, after we are learning basic complete, afterwards we will start for your lessons. Today I am going to teach basic alphabets, capital letters. Only today you are going to learn capital letters. Okay, alphabets, capital letters, capital letters. Okay, today you are going to learn only capital letters. I know some children, if 1-2 times you return means you learn, you will remember the letters. Some children you will complete, some children they forget everything. Now this is opportunity for you all to learn from beginning. Don't use this basics classes properly. Okay, today you all know alphabets. No alphabet. How many letters are there in alphabets? How many letters are there in alphabet, students? Total we are going to see 26 letters in a alphabet. A to Z. A to Z we are going to sing A to Z. 26 letters. How many letters are there in alphabet? Total 26 letters. The first letter is A. First letter is A. Second letter B. The next C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Total A to Z we are seeing total 26 letters in a alphabet. What is the first letter, children? What is this first letter? What is this? A. Okay, the first letter is A. A, the sound is A. A says A. What the sound? A says A. A says A. A says A. The second letter, what you are seeing? The second letter, what is this? B. What is second letter? This is a B. B says B. B says B. B says B. This is the second letter in the alphabet B. The next letter is C. What is the next letter? C. C says K. C says K. When I am pronouncing the sounds, when I am going to telling the sounds, you should repeat the sounds with me. Okay. You should also tell the sounds with me. C says K. C says K. Okay. After C, what letter? We are seeing D. What is this letter? D. D says D. D says D. D says D. D says D. Okay. The next letter after D, we are seeing E. What is this? E. What is this letter? E. E says A. you know A, that. Next, F. F says F. F says F. Fish. F. Fish. Okay, we will tell now. F says F. F says F. Next, G says G. Girl. Garden. G. Okay, G says G. G says G. G says G. Next, H. H says H. Horse. H. Horse. House. H says H. H says H. Next, I. I says what? E. Okay, I says E. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. E. Okay, I says E. I says E. I says E. In, it. We will use when it, it. In, in. Okay, like that. E. I says E. Next, J says J. Jug. Okay, jar. Joker. J. J says J. J says J. J says J. Next, K. K says kite. Okay, kangaroo, kite. Okay, king. K says k. K says k. K says k. Next, L. L says L. Lion. Okay, lion, ladder. Okay, L says L. L says L. L says L. Next, M. M says M. Monkey, mango. Okay, M says M. M says M. M says M. Next, N. N says N. Nest. Okay, next, N says N. N says N. All these sounds, when you are going to learn the sounds, it is easy to read the words. Okay, if you learn the sounds, it is going to easy to read the words. Okay, next, O says O. O says O. Orange. Orange. O. O says O. O says O. Next, P says P. Parrot. Okay, P says P. P says P. P says P. Next, Q says Qu. Queen. Okay, Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Next, R says R. Rabbit. Rat. Okay, R says R. R says R. R says R. Next, S says S. Ship. Okay, S says S. S says Sh. S says S. S says S. Next, T says T. Tiger. T says T. T says T. T says T. T says T. Next, U says A. U says A because you will use umbrella. A. Under. Okay, A. U says A. U says A. U says A. V says V. Van. Okay, V says V. V says V. V says V. Next, W says V. Watch. Okay, walk. W also V. V. W says V. W says V. W says V. X says X. Xmas tree. X-ray. X. Okay, X. X says X. X says X. X says X. Y says Y. Yuck. Okay. Y says yuck. Y says yuck. Yuck. Y says yuck. Y says ya. Z says z. Zebra, z. Z says z. Z says z. Z says z. What I told now sounds, you should learn first with alphabet the sound. A says a, B says b, C says k, D says d, E says a, F says f, G says g, H says h, I says a, J says j, K says k, L says l, M says m, N says n, O says o, P says p, Q says p, R says r, S says sh, s, T says t, U says a, V says v, W says v, X says x, Y says y, Z says z. Means when you are going to learn the sounds with the alphabets, it is easy to read the words. Okay, when you are going to read the words, it helps to read the words. Okay, because of that you should learn the sounds. Okay, single letter sounds, phonic sounds, we will call that phonic sound. Every day you practice, every day once or twice you practice with sound all the letters, it will easy to read the words and learn the words. This is today class. Only you should learn A to Z alphabets and practice try writing 2, 3, 4 times or 5 times, and without seeing you try one time. Okay, when you will think I know all the letters to write without seeing. Once you write without seeing all these letters and you confirm you know or don't know the letters without seeing. Okay, if you don't know, practice again and write it again, and one more time you try to write without seeing. Okay, these are 26 letters alphabets in a English. Okay, practice all these words in your homework book. Thank you, students.